Guys, I'm showing you this stand. This is an industrial cart with wheels. This is a kitchen baker's rack, and as you can see the design and everything, this is the manual that how to fix it, kitchen baker rack, and how to assemble this whole part. So I will show you that as well, and then show you that how this looks after pure assembly. So two metal mesh rack and one wooden top. You can also put the wheels or the stand that I will show you. So unboxing, and these are the parts like two shelf, wooden top, and then two side um legs, and then the accessories and everything. So for assembly, this is the tool thing that comes with it, and this also have the wrench and the other tools required for assembly. So this assembly is pretty straightforward as one type of screws. You can just put in all these one type of screws, and yeah, just add in the legs first on both corner. So it start from top to bottom, means like the wood will be fixed first. Allen key is also provided, and you can fix this mesh, and there are like certain height settings, so you can choose whatever you want. So multiple settings you can place depending on your requirement for the height. So this is the second rack, the metal rack, and you can use the wheels or you can use the stand. I will show you that, it's up to you. I'm putting in the wheels right now. It was easy to move, and you can lock them as well. So this tool is also provided to tighten the wheels, like if you want to, just for adjustment. So these are the legs that you can use if you don't want to use the wheel. So here, after the assembly, this is the full look of this. You can put a microwave on the top, and then other things below this. It's a nice rack with a nice rustic wood look, and very nice high quality. I can feel that. And there's also this mesh rack that you can put anything on it. So this is the waterproof and rust proof, and also these small hangers or the bands, you can use it to put anything. So very nice uh, table.